Malo dagiwe thuolo gavana machon ma Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu kod rambun kinde ma orito winjo apil mane ochwale Doho kaluwore kod twech mare mar higni 12. Jang'ad bura Lucy Nyunguna wacho ni Waititu ok ochopo neno moromo manyalo miyo we thuolo kod rambun. Doho kata kamano chiwo chik mondo apil mane Waititu ochopo godo e Doho winj mapiyo mondo chiw ng'eto e kinde mowinjore. Waititu ne omako bura e Doho kodwaro mondo we thuolo kod rambun kowacho ni en kod midhiero mathoth kama oting'o del malit. Kata kamano Doho kone ni ute jela ma pacho ka ni kod chenro makare mag thieth.
It is my considered view that the analysis of the evidence and the conclusions to be drawn on facts which were raised by the applicants should be matters that can only be determined during the hearing of the substantive appeal and not at this point. This court can confirm that the diary of the court can accommodate the hearing of the appeals in under 2 months from now, meaning that the appellants would not have served a substantial part of the sentences. Having considered all the above, it is my finding that the applicants have not met the conditions for grant of bail pending appeal. The applications are hereby dismissed. The appeal shall be heard on priority basis, given that the applicants herein are in custody.